Okay, if you're going to be doing installing the fuel pump, you need to use what Aprilia recommends, Loctite 518. If I can get you a link, I'll get you a link. I'll also get you a link to a fuel pump. So I screwed this up when I first put it in. Put this in, you'll see in the videos. Put the bolts in, put them in hand tight. They say to torque them down to 7 Newton meters. I torqued them down to 5 and then went back to 7. But there's a process here of which ones get done first. Okay, so you can use this video as a reference. So this is what we got for the reference here. This is to your torque pattern of the process we're going to go. We got, this is A, then we're going to go to B, C, D, E, F, F, G, and then the last one's going to be H down here. So you need to torque in that pattern. Put the bolts in, torque it down to 5, make sure it's going down, re-torque back at 7. And you should be good to go. Make sure you use Loctite. Don't be using nothing from Harbor Freight, fucking O'Reilly's or something like that. It won't seal. Use Loctite 518. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this seal here before we reinstall this. Oh wow. That's a thickie. That's a thickie. Boy, that's a thickie. Take a look at that thickie. And I'm actually going to spray this. Let that dry. There's our new gasket. Okay, now with that cleaned up, we'll put our new gasket on. Maybe. There we go. This is a thicky thick now. We'll just kind of work it in to the groove here. Then I like to just kind of run my hands through it. There's little notches in it that keep it in place. Just kind of press it down into it. Now it says you're supposed to take Loctite 518 and go along the O-ring for the fuel pump flange. And if I've got a digital file on this, because I had to print this out, I'll put it up so you can watch it or keep it on the screen so you can take a screenshot and print it out. And this shouldn't take very much of this. I don't know how much of this stuff I got left. I'll smooth this out with my finger. Boy, I hope I got enough of this left. This stuff ain't cheap neither. And I'm a big fan of using what you're supposed to here. I've never found anything from AutoZone, O'Reilly Auto Parts, or anything that will seal a gas tank. Like this stuff. Okay, so now we got our Loctite on there. We're gonna put our fuel pump carefully back in. Then we're going to put all of our screws in by hand, our bolts here. Make sure they're all lining up. Don't rush this part. Wow. Somebody jacked this fucking gas tank up. Bad. Okay, let's see if we can get this right on this here. So we've got this pictures just like this. We're going 7 Newton meters. I did the first torque at 5. This is A on the back side. A, B, C, D, This one's E. F. And G. Well, we'll see if it seals.